Morning assembly speech on the value of obeying rules. Good morning, dear students. Today I want to talk to you about something we all see every day, rules. Some people think obeying rules means having a labor mind or just blindly follow orders. But that's not true. Obeying rules is not a weakness, it is a way to cooperate with others. Let's imagine something simple. You are riding a cycle on the road. You want to go fast, turn wherever you wish, and follow no signals. But what if someone is coming from the other side? If they also ride as wish, what will happen? Yes, an accident only. So, you see, rules are not just for use, they are for everyone's. When we all follow them, we protect each other's, whether it is standing in lines, being silent in a class, or playing fair in games. Every small rules teaches respect, safety, and unities. Rules are not cages. They are bridges that connect us. When we obey rules, we live in harmonies. We earn respect from others. We grow into responsible citizens. So, dear students, remember this. Obeying rules is not about being controlled. It is about choosing peace over chores and respect over pride. Let us follow the rules not with fears, but with understanding and responsibilities. Thank you. Let's build a better world, one rule at a time. Have a nice day. Welcome. Morning assembly speech, compassion. Good morning, dear students. Today, let's talk about a powerful and beautiful human values, compassion. Compassion means feeling what others feel. It means understanding someone's pain and wanting to reduce it. Let me explain it simply. If fire burns you, it will burn to others too. If a nail pricks your skins, it will hurt someone else the same way. So why should we ignore their pains when we wouldn't ignore our own pains? This is the heart of compassion, realizing that what hurts me can hurt others too. Compassion is not about being rich or powerful. It is about being humans. It is about listening when someone is sad, helping someone even when no one is watching, sharing a smile, a kind word, or your times. Be kind because everyone is fighting a battle you can't see. When you show compassion, you make others feel seen and valued. You create a more peaceful school, family, and societies, and you become a stronger inside. So, dear students, let's not just live, let's live kindly. Let's care, share, and understand each other better, not just today's, but every day's. Thank you, and let your heart always feel what others feel. Have a nice day. Morning assembly speech. Forgiveness. Good morning, dear students. Today I want to share a few thoughts on a powerful values, forgiveness. Forgiveness is not about pretending nothing happened. It is not saying that someone's mistake was right. Forgiveness means choosing peace over anger, healing over hurtings, and most importantly, growing stronger from within. We all make mistakes. Sometimes we get hurt, sometimes we hurt others. But holding on to the anger only hurts us more. Here is something important to remember. Forgive the person and the result of their actions, but also stay wise about the action itself. That means don't keep the pain in your heart, but learn from the experience. If a friend lies to you, forgive them, but also be careful next time. Not to punish them, but to protect your peace and learn the lessons. Forgiveness gives us a lighter heart, a clear thoughts, stronger relationships. Forgiveness is not a weakness. It is the courage to release the pain and grow stronger. So, dear students, starting today, let's go of courage. Forgive others and yourself, but carry forward the wisdoms. Thank you, and may your heart be filled with peace and not pains. Have a nice day. Morning assembly speech on gratitudes. Good morning, my dear students. Today, I would like to speak about a value that quietly shapes our lives, gratitude. Gratitude is not just about saying thank you when someone gives you some things. Real gratitude is showing your respect rather than just thanks, because the entire chain of progress depends on the support and cooperation of each others. Think about your daily life, from the school bus driver who brings you safely to the teacher who guides you patiently to your parents who makes endless sacrifice. You are never alone. Each step you take is supported by someone else. Gratitude is about recognizing those invisible hands and offering you support in return. It is a cycle. When someone helps you, you feel thankful. When you help someone, you feel supported. This is how the society moves forward together. So instead of just words, show gratitude through your actions. Help a friend without being asked. Listen carefully when someone shares. Respect the time and efforts of others. So thank you not just with your lips but with your hearts. Gratitude turns teamwork into trust and help into harmonies. Let's remember the world does not run on individual effort alone. It runs on connected hearts. So today, choose to be a link in the chain with gratitude and support. Thank you, and may your day be filled with awareness and kindness. Have a nice day.